Hi, I'm Ray Morris. I've been asked a lot lately for the short answer to the question, how is it you're having so much success with your work from home business when our whole team is struggling and wondering if it's even worth the effort? And the short answer is this. I can honestly look you in the eye and say to you, you are already somebody's customer. I don't think I need to convince you to brush your teeth and have a shower, wash your hair, clean the house and do the laundry and the dishes and take a vitamin. I simply refer people to shop for better, safer products they're going to have to buy anyway and that don't cost more, shipped right to their front door with a money-back guarantee. If you don't find everything we say about them to be true, all your money back. And when you find it is true and you refer your mom, your sister, your neighbor, your friends, we pay you not only in the lifetime purchases of those customers, but everybody they tell, and so on through 7 generations of referrals. Forever. Why would you ever stand in line again at the grocery store? Better, safer, don't cost more, shipped right to the door, and we share the money with you. Seriously, it just makes common sense. If what you are doing doesn't make the same sense, and you are part of one of those internal consumption machines where it is almost solely the distributors purchasing that make up most of the sales of your company, maybe it's time for a change. If you'd like to learn more, call today for a personal strategy session or click on the button below.